Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Sculptshe, and this company is pretty much a shapewear company. So they sell different things, different shapewears, different corsets, waist trainer, anything to do with like shaping. So this video is pretty much about all the girlies that, you know, sometimes you have a little bloating, or even if you don't have a little bloating but you just feel like you need to use something to help hold in whatever you need to hold in. This video is practically for you guys. But yeah, if you wanna see what they sent to me, then keep on watching. But before we go anywhere, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Okay, so like I said, this company is called Sculptshe, and they sent me a Sculptshe. So it is a Sculptshe all day everyday slimming bodysuit. I don't remember why I took this, to be honest, but this was the one that I took. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like on, and I'll also be showing you guys it like right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through the website to kind of show you guys what the different shapewears that they have. So they have different shapewears, even for like if you've done like surgery and you want something to like help with the aftercare for your surgery. They're good. They have like post-surgery 360 lipofoams, butt lifter, the waist trainer, the tummy wrap. They have a lot, pretty much a lot of like shape wearing garments that will help you look more comfortable or look more relaxed. Well, I shouldn't say relaxed, but help you feel and look better in your clothing. So let me just focus on the exact one that I got. Like I said, I got the Sculptshe all day everyday slimming bodysuit. It is adjustable, like you can adjust the straps and it's flexible for any body type. It's easy to put on and come off. Overlap, and okay, it has a overlap gusset if you need to pee. I'm gonna be showing you guys all of that. I'm just reading what the description says on the website. It's invisible underclothes, bye bye panty lines, hello smooth and sleek, 360 shaping. 360 shaping. It targets your belly, your waist and your thighs, flattens your stomach and creates a sleek line from belly to your thigh. It's ideal for wearing it in your daily life or special occasions such as weddings, parties, conferences, and meetings or postpartum recovery after pregnancy. Also, you can wear it like after surgery. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I don't remember the size that I took, but when it came, this is the package that it came in. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. This is the package that it came in, and it pretty much just says shaper, and it shows you like the different sizes and the different colors that it comes in at the bottom right here, and also like wash care, like if you're, yeah, wash label. Yeah, so this is the shapewear that I got, the bodysuit. I'm gonna be putting it somewhere on the screen to like show you guys how it looked when I put it on, and also when I put it on, I put a dress over it. I'm losing my thought. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be putting it somewhere on the screen to show you guys how it looks on, and also how it looks when you put like a dress over it. So this is the shapewear. It's very stretchy. Honestly guys, when I just got it, you see how skinny it looks? When I just got it, I was just like, this will not fit me. Like, what size did I get? You know, I'm like, I don't understand, what size did I get? And I got because my lower part of my body is like thicker, I got the medium. It stretches to like a medium to almost to a large, because I know if I got the extra, because I think it's extra small to small and then medium to large. That, I think that's how they did it. That's it. Yeah, so it's extra small to small and then medium to large. So I pretty much just got the medium to large just because I know like my hip area would need a little bit more room. So I got the medium to large, and honestly guys, I'm happy I did not get the extra small to small, because sometimes when it's waist trainers we tend to get like smaller ones so it can hold us in properly. But I'm happy I did not get anything smaller than this, because this was already small, like it did tight. Okay, so when I got it, this is how it looks. The straps, the adjustable straps are like right here as they mentioned. It has it has almost like a bra area, like where your breasts could go in. It stretches a lot, like it looks small but it stretches. But the stretch that it has is a very like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a thick stretch, so it's not going to like loose, you know. So when it stretches on your body, it's not going to make you like feel loose. It's going to hold you in even though it's stretching, if you get what I'm saying. Like the material is not a thin material, so because it's thick, when it stretches, because they have like, it's like a tight stretch, so it hugs you when you put it on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on, so don't worry about all of that. And this is the bottom part of it. So it pretty much has a pee hole pretty much. So if you're wearing it like if you're out you're at dinner and you have your dress on and you need to go use the washroom, you don't need to take it off, because all you need to do is just shove it to the side and pee. It has the butt lifter on it as well. I will be showing that to you guys. You guys won't see it on the garment like this just because it's, I don't know, it's not doing any justice, so you have to see it on. I'm gonna show you guys on, but it has like a butt enhanced part on it, so makes your bum look more, you know, plumped. But yeah, this is what the garment look like. Now I will be showing you guys what it looks like on. Okay guys, so this is how it looks with a dress on. I probably wouldn't wear it with this specific dress just because it's gonna show right here. This dress is already short, it has a slit, but definitely you would need a dress that is longer, or even to like here, because for this one, because it's so short, I know as soon as I walk it's gonna start showing after a while. Like you can see it like already rising up, and that's just because this dress is already short. So if you get like a longer dress, or a dress that's like that won't ride up, then this will definitely work. You definitely need a dress that's gonna cover the strap as well. So you definitely need a dress that's gonna cover that. But overall, this is really holding everything, especially if on a bloated day you're just like, I want to look good. I think this is good for that. Like, okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I hope I put you guys onto like some secrets, you know, because a lot of celebrities been wearing shapewear. Is like most of them you don't know, but they do have it on. So this is pretty much a secret. Well, it's not really a secret because nowadays it's not really something that they're hiding, because I see people even wear like their waist trainer outside and like brawling, and nobody really cares. So it's not really a secret, but most of the times when you see these celebrities looking all sleek and nice, they're probably wearing a shapewear. So don't feel bad if for some reason you have for some reason when you put your clothes on, like you're like, oh my gosh, I don't look nice in it, or you feel like there's a little flap somewhere, or your tummy is not as flat, or your bum is not as big, most of the times these celebrities are wearing shapewears. So if you guys want to hop on the trend of the shapewear, so the shapewear trend, then I have a coupon code for you guys. It is my name, Assalaxx. It will be on the screen somewhere, so if you guys want to order this, and then, you know, if you guys want to order a shapewear to look just like your favorite celebrity when they're snatched, then I'm here to help you guys out, so you guys can get some money off your purchase. But yeah, I'll be linking the website down below. I'll also be repeating my coupon code down below, and if you guys end up purchasing, let me know, tag me on Instagram, let me know if it was actually worth it or not, or if you feel like it's not for you, because really and truly it's not for everybody. Some people don't care to wear it because some people might think it makes them feel uncomfortable. This did not make me feel uncomfortable, to be honest. Even though it's like hugging me, it wasn't a thing where I couldn't breathe. There's maybe if I got the extra small to the small, it would have been very uncomfortable for me, but this was not uncomfortable. It was like a good, it was fine, like it wasn't uncomfortable. So yeah, anyways, this is the end of this video. Like I said, I will link everything down below, my coupon code, everything. So if you end up getting it, just tag me on Instagram, or DM me if you don't want to like tag me in it. DM me and let me know if you liked it, or if it was a waste of money, or if you just feel like it's not for you, or if it was a game changer. Definitely let me know. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.